adore you. Lord, every nation on earth will adore you. O God, with your judgment, endow the King, and with your justice, the King's Son. He shall govern your people with justice, and your afflicted ones with judgment. Lord, every nation on earth will adore you. Justice shall flower in his days, and profound peace till the moon be no more. May he rule from sea to sea, and from the river to the ends of the earth. Lord, every nation on earth will adore you. The kings of Tarshish and the isles shall offer gifts. The kings of Arabia and Seba shall bring tribute. All kings shall pay him homage. All nations shall serve him. All nations shall serve him. Lord, every nation on earth will adore you. For he shall rescue the poor when he cries out, and the afflicted when he was no one to help him. He shall have pity for the lowly and the poor. The lives of the poor he shall save. Lord, every nation on earth will adore you. The Lord will bless his people with peace. The Lord will bless his people with peace. Give to the Lord, you sons of God. Give to the Lord glory and praise. Give to the Lord the glory due his name. Adore the Lord in voice of the Lord is over the waters. The Lord over vast waters. The voice of the Lord is mighty. The voice of the Lord is majestic. The Lord will bless His people with peace. The God of glory thunders, and in His temple all say glory. The Lord is enthroned above the flood. The Lord is enthroned as King forever. The Lord will bless His people with peace. Here am I, Lord, I come to do your will. Here am I, Lord, I come to do your will. I have waited for the Lord, and He stooped toward me and heard my cry, and He put a new song into my mouth, a hymn to our God. Here am I, Lord, I come to do your will. Sacrifice or offering you wished not, but ears open to obedience. You gave me holocaust or sin offerings. You sought not, then said I, behold I come. Here am I, Lord, I come to do your will. In the written scroll it is prescribed for me to do your will. Oh my God is my delight, and your law is within my heart, and your law is within my heart. Here am I, Lord, I come to do your will. I announce your justice in the vast assembly. I I've come to do your will.